Welcome to Elite's Icon YouTube channel. In today's episode it's exclusively on some of the underrated websites. So today you'll learn what I bet you didn't know, and so you better get seated with a friend. 1. Goojara.tu. Do you love watching movies, TV shows and Netflix? I know you love one of them. But then, it really sucks you haven't subscribed for the Netflix account, and that means no series for you. Worry no more, because Goojara.tu is the website you needed to know before. This platform allows you watch as many movies, series to TV shows as much as you want. From ancient to latest. Or maybe, have you watched First Kill? You should check it out as it is one of the latest series trending. What if you don't have the full time to be on the internet browsing the movies? I still got you. You can download any movie into your PC storage and watch later. 2. Wolfram Alpha. Are you a student, a professor, or you are trying to learn more things on your own? I know getting answers can be difficult or may require you to pay for some cash for you to access the information. Well, the answers you need are here for free. These range from mathematics, sciences, environmental studies and much more. You can learn more from the platform, or you can post your own question and generate your answers. In addition, you get to access all the possible formulas based on your subject. That's great, right? Check it out for yourself. 3. Codescademy. Programming languages are some of the highly marketable course in the world currently. Are you seeking to be a pro and advance your career in coding? You are right. You don't need to attend a physical class, for you'll be able to learn all by yourself at your own pace. Call it freedom. This platform offers all programming languages from C, C++, Java, Python and much more according to your selection and priority. Check it out and start improving your programming skills at zero budget today. 4. Supercook. You ever went to the restaurant and wonder how delicious the food tastes? It's all on the recipe, you know. Learn and improve on your cooking skills by checking out your own tailored meal. You give a description of the meal you want and a recipe if generated for you instantly. You must be thinking of how easy cooking has been made for you now. Yes, it's that simple. You are the next yummy mummy or yummy daddy. Finally. 5. Forvo. Back to the question, what is communication? Well, remember we say someone has communicated if the information conveyed has been fulfilled as desired. Right, this is on pronunciation. Know the difference in word pronunciation. Improve your communication skills by pronouncing words fluently. Now you know useful tips. If you find this useful, don't forget to check our next video.